All right, we've got natural gas continuing its correction, but it may have found a bottom. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for natural gas. So this is the price zone we've been talking about. And you could see how it uh, touched the trend line almost exactly, and then we had an intraday bounce, and natural gas is on track to close with a bullish hammer candlestick pattern at key support level. Why is it key support? The main reason is because if we go back, the breakout of this large symmetrical triangle triggered above 302. Well, there's an earlier trigger above the line, but it really didn't get confirmed until over 302, and you can see it didn't go anywhere until that happened. So we're now coming all the way back to what was previous support or resistance, now becomes support. If it does show signs of support, that would be an indication that at least this pullback is probably done for now and maybe forever. We'll have to wait and see. What you can see has happened in the interim from this original breakout is a test of this trend line. We can test the horizontal level, but there's also the breakout of the trend line would be tested as support at lower prices, of course. So if there is a drop below today's low at 299, then that trend line becomes the next lower target. But until then, the expectation is for a bounce or a rally to test higher levels. The key levels initially are going to be this beginning of the gap here at 336, along with this prior swing high of 339. Previous resistance becomes potential support, and in this case, resistance again. Now, above there is a 50 moving average at 352. That is 351. I'm sorry. That is confirmed by the 38% retracement. And then above there still is the, let's take the 50% retracement at 367, which is confirmed by the 364 prior swing high, and also an important swing high, because once that swing high was reclaimed, a bullish reversal of this long-term downtrend was confirmed as well, or was triggered and then subsequently confirmed. And then we also have the 20 moving average up here at 371, and you can see how the 20 is declining. So it's certainly possible that the 20 will converge with this downtrend line and this 50% zone by the time price rises up to that area, if that is what happens. All right, that is it for natural gas traders. Have a great weekend.